The federal government put out new contracting opportunities every day, but they are not all created equal. The type of award may be different depending on the government's needs. In this video, I'm sharing common award types you may encounter when bidding contracts with the federal government. Welcome back to the channel. I'm Felicia over at FeliciaStreeter.com, where I help small business owners just like you make the transition from the private sector into the government sector. I help you guys navigate the government RFP process, add a new revenue stream to your business, and get your business AA ready so that you can have a solid foundation built so that you can take your business from where it's at, making six figures, on into the $1 million year as a government contractor and on to those $1 million government contracts. So if you're looking to grow your government contracting business, make sure you subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell, and go ahead and like this video. Someone in my community asked about micro contracts in my community on YouTube. I know that individual is not the only person with that same question. So let's get to it. Now, most of my clients are responding to RFPs, and I'll explain that here in this video. Okay, so today we're going to be going over 6 different types of contracts. So the first type is the micro purchase contract. And these contracts cannot exceed a threshold that has already been preset. This type of contract is used to purchase products and services. Contracts up to $20,000 in award must be performed, and the supplies must be purchased in the United States. Now, up to $35,000, it can be performed, and supplies, materials can be purchased outside of the United States. Now, your fixed price contracts is the second one I want to cover. With this one, you'll have a firm price, or it could be an adjustable price. It could also include a ceiling price, but also have a targeted price stated as well. Or it can include targeting costs as well and include both. So it could have an adjustable or a ceiling, I should say, but it could have a target price as well. Now, your firm fixed price is not open to any adjustments on the basis of the contractor's price or cost or experience in performing on the contract. Now, in this one, the contractor is fully responsible, and it carries the maximum risk because it's a firm fixed price. So if you miss something, you're going to have to eat that in your profits. So in this one, you're accountable, you're held liable and responsible for all costs, which could result in profit loss if not done correctly. But it also includes your profit, right? So you're doing the cost. You're figuring out how much you're going to bid this actual opportunity for, and you just have to be certain in your numbers so that you don't affect your bottom line profits. Because if you do and you miss something, then it's going to eat away at your profit, and that's where you see sometimes on contracts people have a loss and they're like, I don't know what happened, or they'll blame it on other people, right? But in actuality, if you can't bid, it could affect your profit margins, and then you could be doing a project at a loss. Now, sometimes that happens when you have unforeseen circumstances. So you really just have to be mindful and know what you're doing and know how to bid on these opportunities. I can't stress that enough. So I want you to comment below, what type of contract would you like to be awarded? Let us know in the comments. All right, so number 4 is your cost reimbursement contract. So this one, you'll be paid based on allowable costs that you have incurred in doing the work. And this is based on what is stated in the contract. So it only goes to the extent of what's stated in the contract. Now, it could have an estimate of what things will cost, but it'll definitely have a ceiling as well. So you won't be able to exceed that ceiling without, so hear me on this, without the pre-approval of the contracting officer. So if you're getting to the point where you feel like you're going to exceed that ceiling cost, before you do anything else, you need to reach out to that contracting officer to see if you can get a change order and then proceed if they approve it. If they don't approve it, don't do it because you're not going to get paid for it. So this is one of my favorites. Number 5, indefinite delivery. I kind of like these. Actually, one of my clients was awarded an IDIQ a few years back. I think it is now, but it was for $50 million. Oh, yeah. So these IDIQs are really nice and juicy. I like them a lot. Now, the government uses the ID or IDIQs, so indefinite delivery, for making multiple awards of indefinite quantities. So they know they're going to have to use this particular award on many occasions. And so what they do is they award it to a few companies. And then as their needs come up, then they'll reach out to those companies to deliver on that particular opportunity. So I like it. You just have to make sure you have capacity for it and, you're able to deliver, but those are nice and juicy as well. They're usually multiple year contracts. So they're nice to have. So there you have it, the top 6 types of government contracts. Which one would you like to have? But at any rate, now you have a better understanding of the type of contracts awarded by the federal government. Now you should be better prepared as you search for opportunities to bid and analyze solicitations as far as pricing and your numbers. If you're ready to learn how to navigate the government RFP process so that you can add a new revenue stream to your business, work with the best paying customer in the world, and add multiple 6 and 7 figures to your business, if you haven't already, I want to invite you to check out my Government Contractor Accelerator program and learn how I can help you in securing government contracts. I'll put the link down below. So don't forget, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you right back here real soon. And remember, you're just one contract away. Bye for now.